Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we're going to draw a person in a running pose, and this is essentially seen from the back. So if you have your pencils all set, we're going to start putting the vertical frame for this pose. So I think just that much will suffice for the main part of the body, that is the upper back, lower back, going into the lower part of the torso, which we're going to effect somewhere here. Right, and so that is the back. Let's say the shoulder set is here. And then we have the lower part of the torso, as we mentioned. We're going to put one leg like that. Come back with, so there's there's foreshortening for sure in the arms, in the upper part of the body, because we are showing this from the back in a perspective where the legs are somewhat magnified. So there is a foot, and we may change the placement as we go, and we'll see how this works out. And there's the other leg, shin and calf areas right there. That is the other thigh, so that's another area where we are doing the foreshortening aspect of it. And there's the other foot. Grab ourselves a pen. So I just angled this a little bit because it looks more natural. So there's the back. There's the leg. Come back. Ankle. And there is a foot. And the other leg right next to it. And we have the foot, so slightly smaller than this, not by a lot, but slightly smaller, because it's not exactly placed that far apart from this other foot. As for the arms, there's a few different things we can do, but one very natural thing that comes is this. So the famous L shape. There's the bicep structure going into the delt there. It's part of the back again. And we just have a fist like this. And here, well, this delt I brought up because it looks like a little more natural as a running exercise when we place it like that. So one stroke at a time, and this time we have to show the back of the hand also close fisted. And we show the person like in a sprint sort of thing, and there's the back of the head, because there's some concentrated power being put into the pose, and it's very instinctive to tuck the head like that when the person is like running with concentration. But we can also do this and have the arm swing right out there. So there's the round of the delt, the triceps going into the elbow, the arm, and just a hint of the hand showing like that. If we stretch this out even more, say we wish to stretch this out even more, we could also get a complete hint of the hand, which would look good in a cocked position like that. I know that this is a little messy now because we are just exploring those different options, but and one more thing that we can do with this is that, let's say that we want to have that hand also go right out. We could either go like that, even like leave it open if we wish. Also, that's quite customary also to see that. Or we could just have that tucked as it was. And of course we can like shift the movement and do all sorts of things without moving this, without moving the leg structure. If we want, we could bring in the leg like this. Also very customary to see this. So everything comes inside. And all that happens is that the feet just move in together. Of course, you have to be mindful that the foot, this one, should be a little smaller than this. If it isn't, it's not the end of the world, but it would be a good exercise to maintain that. So we are going to stick with one of the frameworks so that we can have a little, there's a little bicep structure going there. And we're doing this because we want the image to come across as a little more balanced and clear, and there we have it. And this can be used for a variety of purposes. So please do check out our other running videos as well. We have done like several positions, poses, and we put out videos like generally every day. So please subscribe and keep in touch. Thank you for watching. Have yourself a wonderful day.